One of the oldest surviving stone structures in New Zealand is Acker's Cottage, which was built on Stewart Island around 1835. Lewis Acker was a young American whaler who came to Fobo Strait in 1834. After a couple of successful whaling seasons, Acker purchased land on Stewart Island to lay down his roots, while his reputation there grew as a builder and fixer of boats. He wanted to build a solid stone house like his parents' one in Charleston, New York. Not a wood or thatched thali, more usual to fellow whalers in the nearby settlements. Acker sourced the stone from a nearby quarry, then fixed the stone into place with local clay mixed with seashells. There was no tin available, so he covered the roof with thick stone slat. In 1840, on business in Dunedin, Acker met and married a Māori lady called Mitty P. She joined him on Stewart Island, and together they had 9 children in this tiny single-room cottage. Acker devised an ingenious tier system of bunks to accommodate the full house. As whaling decreased in the 1840s, Acker worked as a boat builder and harbour pilot, while Mitty raised the children. He bought and captained 2 schooners, the Fanny and the Mabel Jane. After 20 years in the stone cottage, Mitty took ill, so they retired to a small farm in Otataura on the mainland. Sadly, she passed away soon after the move. Lewis found work managing a sawmill and remarried some years later. He died in July 1885. Lewis and Mitty Acker were true pioneers of early Southland, and their name is remembered in Ackers Road in Otataura and Ackers Point on Stewart Island, near the site of his old cottage. The cottage was restored and registered with the Historic Places Trust in the late 1980s, and now stands as a proud monument to New Zealand's pioneering spirit.